Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 different methods about how you can fix your problem when your disk or hard drive or USB drive, any other drive, show this shows these two errors which says not initialized and the second one is unallocated. So how you can fix this, let's get started. The very first method would be just right click on your start menu and then click on device manager. Once you open device manager, expand disk drives, and here you'll find your disk drives. If your disk drive or your hard drive has a yellow symbol or error icon, then there is definitely something wrong with your drive. So how you can fix that? Just right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Once you do this, if it says the best driver for your device is already installed, hopefully your problem solves. If not, so let's go to other methods. Now open command prompt and then you have to type this code: chkdsk space, just add your drive letter, whatever it is, D, E or F, anything, just type it here, then space /r space /f. Once you do this, hit enter, it will fix your problem. But if it does not, then we have another third method, which is again open command prompt as administrator and then type disk part, click enter, then just type list disk, hit enter, and then what you have to do is type, make sure you select your drive which is causing the problem. For my case it is 1, so I will type select disk 1. Now just type clean, hit enter, and then just type convert GPT, then type create partition primary, then format quick fs ntfs, then list partition, then select partition, then format quick fs ntfs. After this, restart your PC and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.